Welcome to UNP Learning Platform. In this session of Microsoft Excel, we are going to understand how to use index and match function together in Microsoft Excel. As mentioned in the previous session, the index function returns a value or the reference to a value from within table or a range, and match function searches for a specified item in a range of cells, and then it returns the relative position of that item in the range. Here we have the data of students along with their grades secured in different subjects like math, English, EVS, and social. There is also a separate table wherein I want all the grades of individual student particularly. First, we'll need to understand the data properly. Now, I want the grades of each subject of each student here. In order to do this, we'll use index and match function together. First, in order to do this, we will make B10 information appear as a drop-down list consist of all student names. For this, we will do data validation. We've already seen this session. Now, we will use it. It goes like this. First, we need to select the cell. I already did it. Now, to go to the data view. We are already in data view. Click on data validation and we want it to be appear as a click on list, and we need to select the range of the students displayed. So we will select the range of the students. Click on OK. See here there's a drop down with all the student names. Done. One is done. Now, in order to extract the grades of each student of all subjects, we will use index and match function. We will go to cell B11. Here in B, and we will type equal to index, open the bracket. It's showing the parameters to be entered. First parameter is array. In our data, the array is the entire table with names and grades. So this is our table with names. We'll select it. Since these values are not changing, these are constant, we'll fix them by clicking on F4, comma, and the second parameter is row number. Here we want the names of different students as row. So we will use match function to do this. Type match in the bracket. It will also show the parameters to be entered. The first parameter is lookup value. Now the lookup value is the cell where we have the name of the student in the list. This is the lookup value. Comma. Second parameter is lookup array. The lookup array is going to be column B where we have the student names. We'll select it. And we will fix this as well. Comma. Third parameter is match type. Here we have three values, 1, 0 and -1. We will type 0 in order to get the exact match of our answer. Now, close the bracket. Since B10, that is the names of the students, are also not changing, we'll fix that as well. Here we gave array and row number. Now we need to give the column number. For this, we need to type match function, open the bracket, that it will match the subject names also. Again, match function will show us the parameters to be entered, same as previous one. First parameter is lookup value. So the lookup value will be cell A11 because it is a subject, comma. Second parameter is lookup array, and the lookup array will be the column consisting of subject names, that is A3 to 3. We will select this and we will fix this because these values are not changing, comma. We want the exact match, so we will give 0. Now we will close the brackets and hit enter. So the answer is A. Now let us drag and like the other values as well. We got the values. Now let us validate it with the previous table. So the name is Bob and math grade is A, English grade is B, previous grade is A, and social grade. So got the correct answers. We change the name, for example, take Martin, and the grades of Martin are A, C, A, C. Got correct answer. I hope it is clear. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.